Here's how you change the transmission fluid on a Volvo V40. This is a D2 with the 6-speed manual. Take the engine cover off. Just held on by a couple of T30s. And then you just move it forwards, and it comes off. You have your drain plug here, and you have your fill plug up here. These are T50 Torx 50s, both of them. Make sure, first of all, you undo the fill plug, because if that is stuck on and you cannot get the fill plug out after you've taken and drained all the fluid out, then that's a long day. So just like that, you undo this, keep a bit of pressure on it. When it's about to come out, let it do its thing. Right, so let's put our drain plug back in. We'll just tighten it by hand. Like that. We'll be using Castrol's transmission fluid. We'll put this side in the fill hole, like so, and then we'll put this inside of here and pump away. Just gotta get it started. So this transmission should take about 1.9 liters